Every now and then a meme coin comes along that's completely under the radar. Bobo is one of those meme coins. It's up more than 20% today, but a lot of people aren't talking about it. Why is that? Now here we are up 21% today. The price is at 502291. This week we are up by 74%, and this year we are up by almost 15,000%. Now, why am I talking about Bobo? On the first glance, this is an absolute micro cap. It's very hard to find this on pages like CoinMarketCap. Because have a look at this, it's at rank 2714 with a market cap of 133 million. However, here comes the big catch. When we go to dexscreener.com, which analyzes all the blockchain data directly, and we have a look at the largest of the blockchains, namely Ethereum, and we look at all the assets ordered by their liquidity pool size, so ordered by how much capital is actually bound in the different liquidity pools on chain, then Bobo is not at place 2714, it's at place 13. It's the 13th largest token on chain on Ethereum. Isn't that surprising? What this tells us is that crypto gets more and more dominated by the centralized exchanges. If there is a token at place 2000 something in terms of market cap, but it's the 13th largest token on chain, then to me it looks like there's a high chance that the centralized exchanges are also going to more and more enter into this. So you can already tell from the beginning of this video that I'm not going to bore you with the marketing jazz on the website, etc. This is not how we can get an alpha in the market. So this is how I see crypto fundamentally, especially meme coin trading. It's a player versus player game. And the player that has better data tends to win. And you don't find that better data simply by browsing the website or by browsing Twitter. You find the better data by looking on chain. So let's stop looking at funny pictures on Twitter. It's not helping. Let's instead have a look at the number of retail investors versus whale investors. Let's see who's actually buying and selling this token. Over here, we've got long-term charts. And the left side shows the number of wallets on chain on Ethereum that have at least $1,000 worth of the token right now. So that's a chart on the left side. It's 500 million tokens. There are a bit over 6,000 retail investors in this token. In the middle, we've got the number of medium-sized retail investors. So that's now 5 billion tokens, or roughly $10,000 worth of the token. We've got roughly 1,000 such wallets. And on the right, we've got the whales at the current prices. That's more than $100,000 worth of the token. Isn't it fascinating? The retail investors simply continue to accumulate. They barely sell. Medium-sized retail tends to sell a bit more often. The large whales, they are the most pessimistic, and they are currently rather distributing. So those are the long-term charts. And here we've got the same charts with the same cutoffs, but just for the last month only. Again, retail is buying, medium-sized retail is buying a bit slower, and the whales are decreasing in numbers. And this all happened while the Bobo token itself went up by 72%. The reason why this chart isn't growing more steadily, why it is rather flat and then suddenly shooting up, is because the whales were selling into the accumulation by the retail investors. Retail was just buying, but the whales were selling, and that selling was strong enough to depress the price for a while. Now, I said in the introduction of this video that I believe the centralized exchanges are going to take over this token as well. It started out with MEXC, so there was a real payment by the Bobo team to MEXC. Thus, MEXC is also the main place at the moment for the token. So check this out. This is the token distribution. The largest holder is MEXC, and MEXC is accumulating exactly as we expected. And I do believe that other centralized exchanges are going to follow. There will be listings of Bobo on other centralized exchanges. Right now, MEXC is dominating the centralized exchange trading, but this might change. Now, this YouTube channel has a premium offering, and in this premium offering, we're looking at various influencers, various successful traders, and we look at what are they doing. And they've also done something with the Bobo token. They have been part of the smart money that continues to sell. Look at this. Stan Crypto and James Wynn, they are selling since the 18th of May. Constant selling of Bobo tokens in the tens of thousands of dollars. They are part of this club over here. So guys like James Wynn are the real winners in all of this. He's got a $2.5 million portfolio. He's now sold all of his Bobo tokens, but he's got other tokens as well. And we are tracking this wallet in premium as well. So we know when this guy is buying and selling. I just recently bought one of his tokens. That token is up more than 70% already in a matter of a few days. So of course, I will continue to make videos on this YouTube channel as well. So feel free to subscribe. I publish videos regularly. A like would be very much appreciated as well. But if your crypto portfolio is large enough, if it's above $5,000 roughly, then I recommend to give it a try. There's also a money back guarantee. In case you don't like it, just message me within the first week and you get all the money back. In case you're not yet at the $5,000 level with your crypto portfolio, there is also a free Telegram. Link is as well down below. Looking forward to chatting with you over there as well. Cheers.